Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. A wonderful new month to everyone, my returning subscribers and my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles. Today I want you guys to please check out this beautiful short natural haircut for black women. These are one of the cool short natural haircut to try this season. This is a festive season, and sometimes you may find yourself finding it hard to find the hairstyle that is for your face shape. I just want to let you know that you are not alone, but have it at the back of your mind that short hairstyles can suit all face shapes, and shorter styles these days are really trending, particularly this particular season. And I want you guys to know that we have so many different styles for your fresh coat, and those styles can go from the pixies to the boys cut to the tapered to the bad, and these are easy going short natural haircut that will give you more inspirational ideas and options for you to choose from. And one thing about today's haircut is that they are hairstyle that is classy. They are really trending this time, and it's one of the style that will flatter beautiful women's face and hair type. So if you're really ready to say goodbye to your long hair, I would like you to please watch this video to the end, because we've selected beautiful short natural hairstyle options for every style and hair texture, and I want you guys to get ready to screenshot and also to get some styles for your next hair salon visit. So I want you guys to watch these beautiful videos to the end. Something tells us you're going to want to head to the salon ASAP. And let me know how you feel about this beautiful haircut in the comment section below. If it's your first time here in Wendy Style, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your minds in the comment section below. I just want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers and to my new subscribers. Welcome to Wendy Styles, and see you guys in my next upload. God bless you.